In this very quick video guide, we're going to see Mixkit website, which is a really a wonderful website where you can get a lot of stuff for free that you can use for your video montage or your video projects. You can find here audio and video and other multimedia assets. So if we just go inside here, this is the home page. You have a search bar, and then you can go directly if you're searching for something specific, or you can choose here if you want to look for videos, music, sound effects, which are the most important. And then you have some also templates for Premiere Pro, After Effects, and icons. So you can also access from the top here. You can choose a category and then just type what you're looking for. So let me just, and if you scroll down, these are like the latest and the most liked. And so let's go for like a section like animals. So here you'll find all videos about animals. Now if you're interested in video montage and video effects, you can also check our courses in the channel, so you can bring these assets inside and mount them together, assemble them together. So I'm looking for like an ambient music. Let's say I want to do a nice video on meditation. So there you go. So you have a nice relaxation meditation. So you can press play and preview the sound, and then if you're happy with it, you can click on the little download button, select the folder where you want to download it. Otherwise, it's usually the download folder, and just click on save, and that's it. You can see this is an MP3 file format. So you can click and it's going to be downloaded right away. So you can see how many music and you can find here. And if you want to look for genres, music genres, you can look for classical or hip hop, children, cinematic, etc., etc. So you can use it for your projects, which could be also like video games. In some cases, you need sound effects, like for Unreal Engine or Unity. You're creating a video game, so we can get also sound effects. So I typed boom, and I have a lot of different examples here. So if I press play again, I can preview. If I'm happy, I can download it, and that's it. And this is a WAV file or WAV, so it's another type of audio format, but they will work fine with any software, especially if you want to do, again, montages. You can use Premiere Pro, but also if you can use After Effects for creating effects, and then you can use Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and others. So you'll find some of these software in the channel. Just type and you'll find anything you need. And let's have a look also to some icons. So these are really simple vector graphics, SVG, scalable vector graphics formats. So you can use it in Illustrator or Inkscape or GIMP or Photoshop, whatever. And also up here, we can search for illustrations. And that's actually another website that is not the same one. It probably is from the same creators. It's called Reshot. And let's go back to Mixkit. So, well, we just saw everything we need to see. So also videos, our templates, these are really useful if you want to download some footage, or, the entire project template. You can click on the download button, and that's it. So it's really, really easy. And that's it. So I think you can go by yourself now and explore the website. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to stay updated. Check out other courses, video guides, and other videos. Join if you want to support us.